Alright, today we're gonna review this old Chinese Airgun. Shoots pellets. We'll get a close up of it. To reload it, you do this. See how this goes back? Then you slide one pellet in there. I didn't bring too much ammo out. Just want the Winchester hollow points. I don't know how much FPS it is. The safety is like broken on this one. Take a couple shots with it. Get the gong. And this sight's so bad. Sights are pretty bad. But it has a dovetail barrel, so you can add a scope if you wanted to. It's probably around 600 FPS, I don't know. And the safety is broken on this. Yes, I mentioned that. Get the gong. Yeah, when you reload it, this goes back. You just put the pellet in like that. Then you push this, just like that. Hey, at least I can get the gong from this range. They're pretty difficult to find. They don't make them anymore because it's from China. Let's take a shot at that phone with this. See what it does. Alright, I was gonna shoot the phone, but we'll shoot that later on for 22. You always have to like oil this a lot because it's old. We got it for 25 bucks at a gun show. Yeah. Missed that shot. Pretty fun to shoot. Pretty easy to cock back. See the gong, I'm gonna keep getting it. I forgot to bring paper out. I was gonna see how accurate it is. But it's pretty accurate if you get used to it. You know where it shoots. You have to use like windage. I film the trigger when I shoot. The trigger is pretty good. I actually like the trigger on it. Alright, try to film the trigger when I shoot. Oh, I did hit something. What are we aiming? Oh shit, we should set some bottles. Right, I'm filming now. He's gonna shoot now. Set up these bottles. I'll have to do a review on them someday. Didn't knock it down. Surprisingly, it didn't knock it down. So it's not too powerful, but yeah. Oh, a piece of lead just hit me right here. Did it knock it down? Wow. Yeah, a piece of lead flew back at me. Let's move up a little bit. Now we're really close. Not too impressive. Well, we'll set this up. I really don't expect it to do anything. But they notice with other guns when we shoot like right here, it will not go through, but will like blow out the whole back of the impact. Let's try the back. Let's do the down. I'm gonna shoot the back. Right, here we go. Just a lead pellet. Bounced off. Yeah, that's what you hit. We'll have some more reviews coming out that we may film today. Or no, when I'm gonna upload them. Where's that pistol? Or the full auto also. Oh. It's gonna weigh around 5 pounds too. And look at the front side, it's pretty bad. Look at the smoke. Yeah, it does smoke a lot, I notice. That's what a 22 long rifle did.
That's what it.
Dented the back.
We'll do a video on that.
Yeah, and it knocked this whole thing down too. Knock the phone out a little bit, by the way. We're smoking. Wrong pocket. Here we go. Look at a little smoke. I have one more pellet and we're just gonna get the gong. Actually, no, no. Alright, so we're gonna shoot this. It's a half-inch. Yeah. Point blank range. Here we go. Oh no, not that close. Back up a little bit. With some speed. Oh, and then.
Went through actually.
Did it go through? Yeah. Nope. No, it didn't go through.
Stuck in there.
But we do have some pelicans that do go through this from like. Yep. All the way over there. If you look at the backside, some go through.
We'll do a video later on.
Yeah. We'll think of extending the gong back here. See, we have a stand that we're making right now.
Yep. We're gonna get more concrete blocks and put a gong up right there.
Use this for battles. Airsoft.